Hello and welcome back. Let's see the solution to weather observation station 6, another SQL question on HackerRank. Query the list of city names starting with vowel letters. We have the 5 vowel letters A, E, I, O, U from station table, and your result cannot contain duplicates. So we have the table. Let's list the city names first. We can select to get the unique city names. We can use the distinct keyword. City from station. This is going to print all the unique city names. From these names, we are interested in the first letter of each city name and check whether the first letter is a vowel letter or no. For example, this one is a vowel letter. We will include it in our result set. To get a substring of a string in SQL, we can use the substring method. Let's say here we want to get the substring of city name, substring of city. From where we want to start? We want to start from the first letter and the length of substring, how many characters we want to extract. Say we want to extract only 2 characters. Let's run the code. It will print the first 2 letters of each city name. So we don't want the first 2 letters, we want only the first letter, and check whether the first letter is a vowel or not. So for that, let's select the distinct city from station, where the first letter of each city name is either A, E, I, O, U. We can use the N keyword that checks whether the result satisfies a list of values. So we are going to pass a list of values: A, E, the vowel letters, I, O, and U. So this will check whether this result satisfies any values in this list, the N keyword. So let's run the code. It is accepted. Just in case, in this result set, all the city names start with an uppercase letter, but just in case if we have any city name that starts with a lowercase, this will give an error. To safeguard that, we have another function. Once we extracted the first letter of each city name, we are going to change it to uppercase because we are checking the uppercase vowel letters. But if you want to use and check the lowercase letters, once you extracted the first letter, you can use the lower method, but just in this case we use the uppercase letter. We can use the upper method just to be safe. Change the first letter to upper and check whether they are in these upper case letters. Run the code and let's submit it. Yeah, it passes the test cases. Thank you for watching.